Welcome to TechLeapart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a template on Microsoft Word. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Word. Now from here just click on new option, and here you can find so many templates and you can choose any templates from here. You can also find some categories from here. You can see business, cards, flyers, letters, education and anything as you want. But make sure that your Wi-Fi is enabled. Now if I select business, if you want to get these unlimited templates from here, then you need to enable your internet connection. And here you can see so many templates and you can choose any option as you like. If I open this template, then just click on create and that's it. You can see the template has been created successfully. Now from here you can type anything as you want. You can customize your template from here. Just put the cursor here and then type anything as you want. And that is how you can create template on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.